Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about this beautiful butterfly that landed on my face. No, I'm totally kidding. So I was inspired by a dragoon on Instagram by this photo right here, and I just wanted to do my own interpretation of this look, and I decided to do a monarch butterfly because I am regal, I am a queen. Bow down, bitches. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful butterfly on my face, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell on the bottom there for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. Let's get right into it. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature. See you guys in my next one.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hello flowers. Hi. I've already started with my base, and this is my dark liner from Sistar, and I'm just using that as a marker to draw the initial shape of my butterfly. Excuse the talking, y'all. I was fake on the phone. Mind your business. First of all, mind your business. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so you're gonna do I'm doing the bottom of the butterfly right now, and I noticed, as you can see, that they're not even, so I'm marking it up, and then I'm just gonna go in with concealer just to fix up that extra line. So I'm just gonna go fix that. So I fixed that side. Now I'm back, and now we're going to the top of the butterfly, which is gonna go on my eyelid. Ooh. And I'm just making that round. I'm trying to make sure that line there meets up with the line that's on the bottom of my eye. Guys, this is actually really simple. Like, if you really can't draw, like, this is like 2 semicircles on the side of your face. Like, seriously, I'm not a an artist. I'm a makeup artist, but alright, I'm an artist. But you can do this too. There's artists in all of us. So now I'm taking my Glamite Caligrapher eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I'm using this to define those lines and create, you know, a more defined shape, and also just to make it darker. So once I've done the outside, I'm doing another line on the inside to make that line a little thicker, because if you've ever seen a monarch butterfly, you know that they have that kind of like border of black, kind of like a border that you would have on your wall, maybe? I don't know. Okay. So I'm going in with my James Charles palette, and those are the colors that I'm using. I'm going in with that darker orange, reddish orange color right now. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid, but mostly on the outside. And you want to make sure you blend that as much as possible, but we're still having as much pigment as possible, because we need pigment, y'all. This is not going to work if it's not pigmented. And because this, you know, palette has so much pigment, I decided to use it. So now I'm going more of that yellowy orange color, and I'm just putting that in the center and blending that out to create more of a vibrant orange. And also, if you look at a monarch butterfly, you can see that sometimes they have a little bit of, you know, lightness to them, a little bit of a lighter yellow color. So I went ahead and completed one side of my face off camera, and now I'm just going in with that black shadow on the line, and I'm going over the liner that we had there in the beginning, and this is just, you know, bringing together that look. If you look at that other side, you can see, like, I'm just doing lines. You can see I'm starting my lines now. I'm literally just doing a bunch of lines. I am trying to do the same thing on both sides, but the motto is they are sisters, not twins. As long as they look cohesive, they don't have to be exact. I'm not going to stress myself, y'all. This is fun, not stress. Like, I can't stress that enough. I'm irritated. Okay, so I'm just going in with those lines, and then I finished those lines off camera, and now I'm going in with my NYX liner, my white liner, and I'm just putting some dots around that black line. Then we're gonna throw on our lash which these are some lashes that I got from eBay. And now I'm using that same liner that I used earlier to line my lips, and now I'm going with the Sistar lip paint. It's a gold luscious lip paint, and I'm just putting it all over my lips, and I'm gonna change my shirt, take my headscarf off, and that's it, guys. This is the look. I hope you love this as much as I do. I just love it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Mwah.